power monitoring unit. Especially these units are required circuitry to carry out the functions such as protection, operation, measurement, monitoring of power for distribution and switching facilities into the one contact unit with specified voltage levels. So such power monitoring units are also available. We are having in the market. So the VFD is also one of the example of power monitoring unit. Okay. The PWM, pulse width modulation. This is also power monitoring unit. 6 steps PWM. This is also power monitoring unit. So different you may have power monitoring units as per the requirements of the drive. So especially we are thinking of the quality power, and quality power that is associated with frequency of supply, voltage, that these are the very, there should not be deviation in the frequency. So power monitoring, especially we are having various devices in power monitoring, real time power monitoring you may have. So you may have the different methods, smart data center for electrical power monitoring. This is just to show you how you are having the power monitoring devices in the market. What to monitor? Especially the voltage, especially the voltage and frequency. So you can have this particular monitoring. So you are having these various sensors that is available. AC power monitoring. हे तुम्हाला इथे जे दिलेले आहे, these are particularly for distribution system, but for industrial system you may have power monitoring units, so energy monitoring units. You may have smart meters are the examples. Then you are having the RTU, remote terminal units. There are the examples of them. You may have cloud computing that can be used for the power monitoring. Cloud computing. Okay. So you can have the perfect many things for real time power monitoring. Like real time, you may have especially the harmonics that is also required. So harmonic also deteriorate the power. So harmonic filters are there. These are the devices for the power monitoring. Then you may have the continuous data monitoring, so real-time data monitoring system. You may have various devices, especially as per your requirements. You can have various devices for power monitoring. So you can have these devices. You can have the digital and logical controls for monitoring of the power. You can have smart gateways. This is a smart system especially. You may have this monitoring of power with LAN, WAN, MAN, whatever, etc. Okay. So you can have many systems are there, many professional experts are there for particularly the power monitoring devices in the system. So you can have this power monitoring easily by using the power monitoring unit. Then just we have seen the network cabling. What it is required? So we need to control the speed, we need to control the drive, we need to control the machine, we have to develop the programmable and logical controls, and we need to control the machines. Then we are having earlier intelligent relaying system, what we have seen. We have circuit breaker operations based on the tripping circuits. So all these situations, all what when it is required, we have to use the communication network. So the communication network or communication cabling is needed. That may be net, dedicated net, LAN, passive, WAN, wide area network, LAN. So like this. So this is particularly achieved by Ethernet IP networking. It is also important as far as this IP because of it is related with the power system. And see that the operation must be from secure IP addresses. So this security, network security is very important issue. So these IP addresses are dedicated IP addresses. So they controlling only with these IP addresses, not from anywhere like banking. So you need softwares also for this. So intelligent motor control units, you know that we have. So it is a required dedicated software, particularly that operates in non-computer operating environments such as Windows. It controls the motors and related requirements. So intelligent motor control center, particularly software we are having the categories, ability to operate GUI environment. For example, Unite. For example, software will be easiest to use if it works in known popular environment. Suppose we are having the operating system other than Windows. Now most of the people are familiar with Windows, and software if they are compatible with operation in Windows, then it is easy that you can, that means जुनाइन एन्व्हायरमेंट म्हणजे ज्या एन्व्हायरमेंट मध्ये लोकांना प्रॅक्टिस आहे त्या एन्व्हायरमेंट मध्ये लोक मे पीपल मे इझिली go for their operation, understood the operation clearly. So in popular काही softwares you may have Linux system of Java. So like this you are having various environments, but you have to develop the software to work in a particular environment and particular popular environment, especially the Windows. Then that accordingly you should develop the software. Then unique motor control demos, demonstration and initiation screens, especially म्हणजे तुम्हाला जे काही तुमचं कंट्रोल युनिट दाखवायचं स्क्रीन दाखवायचं. So you can have the indications like single line diagram, that unique, that is to be defined. You are having the symbolical operations and you can have the virtual controls just clicking on the, say for isolator, if you click on isolator, isolator may start operation. You should able to give the command online for operation of the system, because you are doing this from your control center and you are having dedicated software and dedicated network for this and dedicated secure IP addresses. So you can have the initiation or initialization process, operational process that can be done over the control room. Okay, so application of program upon installation that should access to specific information, generate screen containing. So your software should able to save the history, lot of history. Though you need at least 10 to 15 years back history. Suppose some particular blackout is there, some what we can say the especially things may happen, special type of abnormal conditions, special type of faults, special type of change in parameter of the system that can be analyzed for further studies. So you need to store your software must be store the data. Now it is possible to store the data for 1/4 of the second. So you can have a huge data that can be stored to the system. Okay, then you must have the network communication that established that devices are recognized their entries. I told you just that you may have the dedicated IP addresses. So who is operator, who is working with that, how what are the operations performed, what control he expects, what exactly he has done, everything it is monitored at particular central unit. central level control system or central level control center. Okay. So softwares are accordingly. The user only needs to sit back and let the software put pre-configured devices to match the information with the user database. So normally people just used to do the share the data, compare the data, and take the decisions accordingly. Okay. Then you may have displays in control rooms, pre-configured screens showing the most common parameters. Just I told you various parameters you are having like MCC lineup, elevation view, realistic dynamic display that shows you unit type, nameplate, information, all unit view that you can see. It supplies dynamic information about the unit. Dynamic means real time actual information unit of the device. Particular motor is far away from you, from your control room, but you may have the dynamic information available with you. Okay. So data can be displayed digitally on meters or it can be in the graphical form. Event logging, automatic logs, logout, user defined faults. Somebody else give the command rather than the conventional person, password. All things are considered. Okay. So logging is associated with everybody associated with this operation is having password and they have to keep them secure. So maintenance activities, equipment updates, etc. that can be done. Then spreadsheet view, you may have ideal viewing of information in the form of comparative data analysis that you can filter the data, you can compare the data, you can analyze the data, you can have some conclusive remarks or points associated with data that can be processed further, that can be incorporated in new version of the softwares, and you may have further more and more intelligent control unit. Okay, it includes all specific documentation, comprehensive documentation, database steps, especially valuable documentation or particularly unit wiring diagram, uh, built built drawings of MCC lineup, product user manuals, spare parts databases that also shows and adds the change in information, especially the wiring diagram. Suppose you have made some changes, that is to be incorporated in the digital form with the data control center, and you may have IMCC accordingly. It can be accessed any network level. The user should be able to view the MCC plugin into the network level. So you may have Ethernet that associate internet. Right? The feature gives user flexibility to locate the software, maintenance, whatever. You may have the available that laptops dedicated in computers are connected in control room for the same. At engineer desk, he is having displays also. He will work with all. So you may have some of the parameters that is to be managed for motor control as IMCC. So number of overload trips, that data, number of parameterizations, motor stop time, operating time, device operating time. Then you may have number of starts, number of starts left, right, consumed energy, individual status, individual event messages, individual warning messages, individual trip messages, motor current. Then you may have motor voltage, motor power, motor frequency, power factor, time trip, cool down period, last trip. So all these data that is to be